Can you be a millionaire in day trading? So making $1 million in day trading is not that hard to do. In this video I'm going to give you some ideas about how to do it. In day trading we're trading stocks, currencies or crypto to get profits out of market changes that frequently happens in those markets. So in this video I'm going to show you that how to make $1 million using that strategy. So let's assume that you have a $1,000 to invest in trading. If you can get 10% increase on that investment for every single month and year, that means you need to make $100 profits on that $1,000 on first month. Then in second month you need to make $110 profits because you have $1,100 in your account in starting of the second month. In third month, you need to profit $121, so on and so forth. Don't get confused, only you have to do is profit 10% on your trading account in every month until you get to the $1 million. After 6 years doing that, you're able to make $1 million. But I know that most of you guys don't like to wait 6 years to be a millionaire. So, you can increase the profit target to achieve it faster. If you increase the profit target to 20% per month, you can achieve that in 3 years. 20% profits per month is also not that hard to do. Again, if you increase the profit target to 40% per month, you can achieve $1 million target in 1 year and 9 months. 40% profit target is not easy to reach in every single month, but if you have enough skill you can achieve it too. So, as you can see, becoming a millionaire from day trading is possible. But you need better skills at trading to do it. If you are a trader who know how to do technical analysis, also great at market predictions and great at risk management, you're good to go. But if you are a new trader who don't know how to do any of that, don't worry, everyone is starting without having an actual knowledge. But if you learn that things correctly, you can be a professional trader. In this channel my plan is to make you a professional trader that who can consistently reach your profit levels. So, I'm doing a complete trading tutorial series that's starting from scratch here in YouTube. So, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't gonna miss it. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you have any questions, comment down below because I'm always here to help you. Thanks for watching.